Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2 5G. Today I'll show you how to turn on or off touch vibration. Firstly, let's go to settings, scroll down, tap on sound and vibration. Again scroll down and select more sounds and haptics. To turn on or off vibration or touch, switch this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.